In stage one, we talked about the basics. That was buying a bike, buying tools for the beginner, manuals, and a workspace. Now, before we start stage two, I want to talk about two very important tools, and that is confidence and patience. You need to get it into your head now that anybody can do the work on these bikes. And I do mean anybody. You just need to believe it. It's just about crossing steps, crossing lines. And then anytime you cross a line, you'll see how easy it is. I am not a natural mechanic. It took me a long time to learn. So basically, it took a lot of patience, it does not come easy to me. But luckily, I have a lot of confidence. So that just pushed me through. I mean, the first time I took a carburetor apart or an oil pump, even up to an engine or a transmission, that's a stage of hesitation, and you just cross over it, because what's the worst that can happen? And this is where the patience comes in. When you are working on a part of your bike and you're working on the workbench, take it to pieces, take it to pieces slowly, and I lay it out on the table as I took it apart, and then I photograph it. And then when I'm putting it away to store it, I put everything in a Ziploc bag and label it. So it's just patience. And, once you've crossed that line and started on a small job, then your patience and then your confidence, more importantly, will grow. And then you can just go on to do harder and harder jobs. So just remember that anybody can do this. It's about patience and confidence. Good luck.